Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Shara here with another video. So I'm so excited today because I will be opening my Telfar bag. So here it is. This is the box that it came in. I have not opened it yet. Now I did order this off of StockX because I've been on the site numerous times and they're always sold out, like all the time. Every time I go in there, everything is sold out. So, and I don't know about their new drops or whenever they're gonna drop. So I just got tired and I said, you know what, I'm gonna just order mine on StockX. Now the bad part about ordering it off of StockX is you're gonna pay about $100 more. So this bag usually runs about $200 on the Telfar site, but on StockX I pay maybe close to $300. I can't really remember, but it might have been like $260 maybe plus tax or something. But yeah, so I'm really excited. This is the medium bag and in gray, the color gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I can't remember how long it took to get here. Maybe like 2 weeks. Yeah, so I guess the sellers on there, they have to send it to StockX to get verified to see if it's authentic. And then StockX, I believe, sends it out to you after that. So it's a process. Uh-oh. Here she is. Yes. So I guess it comes in this little plastic bag that says Telfar. So I guess it was established in 2005 in NYC by Telfar. I believe the last name is Clemens. I had looked up a little bit about his information. This is a Black-owned company. Designer Telfar Clemens. He was born in 1985 in Queens, New York. And I guess he founded this company in 2005, and he won a Vogue Fashion Fund Award in 2017 for American accessories. So that's a little bit of knowledge on the company. All right, so here is the bag. It comes in this dust bag, and I see the straps. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the dust bag. Can't get it out. Oh, it's stuck. Here it is. Oh, it is so pretty already. It was hard getting it out of that. There she is. Yeah, so this is the medium in gray, and she is so pretty. Unless you get a close-up. And here's the back. This must be from StockX. So I guess this is the tag they put on there when it's been verified. So yep, that's from StockX, and they're saying that it's authentic. Yay! So yep, this is the back of the bag. This is the front. She's real soft, real soft. So again, this is the gray bag in a medium. They have small and a large as well, but I wanted the medium. The medium is supposed to be about the size of your laptop. I think it'd be a good vacation bag, you know? So like a vacation bag, perfect size, carry on maybe. I feel like this color is very versatile. It's gonna go with a lot of outfits. Doesn't this look so soft and like just milky? That's what it reminds me, like milk. I'm pretty sure that this is vegan leather. So I have to look that up, but I'm pretty sure this is vegan leather. This is a unisex brand as well. So this is for guys and women, just to let you know. But this seems like a perfect everyday bag. I love the color, it's so pretty. I love this. They have a ton of colors to choose from as well. White, black, gold. They have one called glue. I was debating on the tan one as well, but I just went with this one. I thought that this would be good for me for now until I, you know, maybe later on I'll get the tan one as well. But yes. Now the good thing I like about these is it has no hardware. If you notice, it has no silver, no gold hardware. And then that's helpful for when you're wearing gold or you're wearing silver. You don't want to clash with the purse if you've ever run into that problem. I know I have. So yeah, so that could be a problem when you have gold or silver hardware and you're clashing with your jewelry. So that's one good thing about these bags. They don't have no hardware. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo the straps. So this is just a little piece of Velcro they put on there. Okay. Yes. Okay, so they have the crossbody straps and then they have the hand straps. So you can do either or. Okay, and then it just has a little snap button here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open the bag up. Oh no, you have to cut this to even open the bag up. They put it on both straps so you can't even open it until you cut the little StockX tag. Okay. So here's inside of the bag. It has a little zipper part. Yeah. All gray inside of there as well. And it's cloth on the inside. I keep forgetting that these are called the shopping bags. So this is called a shopping bag. But yes, I like it a lot. It's really nice, really pretty. I really do. This might be my new everyday bag for sure. So tell me your thoughts in the comments below. So yeah, I might have to give my Louis Vuitton a little rest. I'm still rocking that every day. If you haven't watched my video on the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe, make sure you check that out. That's what I've been carrying every day for a while now. So maybe I can give it a rest since I got this now. So yeah, so I love this. This is nice. I can't wait to wear it. Tell me your thoughts in the comments though about this bag. Do you have one? Do you plan on getting one? What colors do you have? Because I do want to get a tan one as well. I can't believe how hard these simple bags are to get your hands on though. Because I kept going on the site and it just sold out all the time. Yeah, so, but I went ahead and I bit the bullet and I got it off StockX. So maybe you can find out when the drops are. I got tired of waiting. So yep. I got her, she's here. She's my new everyday bag for a while. I'm excited, she's so cute. So thank you guys for watching my review on the Telfar bag. So nice, got it off of StockX because I had to, I was forced to. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. Make sure you hit the like button if you like my video. Follow me on IG at SharaChanel_. And guess what y'all, I'm gonna be posting more on TikTok too. So I'm Shara Chanel on TikTok as well. So again, thanks for watching. I got more videos to come, so keep up with me. Thank you guys, and I'm out.